Johnny Depp takes another win in the defamation trial against his ex-wife.
Came by and checked the apartment and the other apartment as well.
We've watched two LAPD officers separately testify that Amber Heard had no injuries or marks on her face after the massive 2016 fight with Johnny Depp. They did see her crying, but no visible signs of injury. This fight was memorable because Amber filed the temporary restraining order against Johnny right after. Yesterday, Amber said she didn't call the cops at all.
Placed a second call to 911. Do you see that?
Yes.
Is that true or false?
Couldn't be more false.
And why is that?
Every part of it is false. I didn't call 911. I didn't call the police. I refused to cooperate with them to protect Johnny.
She was trying to protect Johnny from whatever was happening, so she didn't want the cops to be involved. She claims. She also added that she actually cleaned the house after the first set of police officers visited. Is it relevant for her to mention that, or does that just make her seem more guilty? We weren't sure whose side to believe until today when Camille Vasquez brought up the statement by Adam Waldman, Johnny's old attorney who was unfortunately dismissed from the case. This man wrote about Amber and her friends once.
Use fake sexual violence allegations as both a sword and a shield, depending on their needs. They have selected some of her sexual violence hoax facts as the sword, inflicting them on the public and Mr. Depp.
Claiming that they used the false allegations on Johnny as a sword and shield whenever they need it. Of course, Amber found that defamatory.
They have selected some of her sexual violence hoax facts as a sword, inflicting them on the public and Mr. Depp. Do you see that?
Yes, I do.
Is that one of the statements that you allege are defamatory? It's defamatory?
That's correct.
Now, he said that nothing Amber and her girlfriend said on the events of May 2016 can be found credible because it was an ambush, a hoax, and a setup.
Mr. Depp up by calling the cops, but the first attempt didn't do the trick, he told thedailymail.com.
He explained why the house was clean when the first cops came and how it became a mess when the second one arrived.
Thoroughly searched and interviewed and left after seeing no damage to face or property. So Amber and her friends spilled a little wine and roughed the place up, got their story straight under the direction of a lawyer and publicist, and then placed a second call to 911.
They had the audacity to call Amber's PR team and publicist to narrate the happenings before calling the cops again. But even this didn't make the scene believable. The officers knew that nothing wrong was happening. Plus, they didn't know who Amber was and that she's even Johnny's wife. It seems like Amber Heard won't give up even when there's proper evidence right in front of her. Let's see how the trial goes in the following days. Thanks for watching.